What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, guys. As promised, we are back on the automatic to manual swap in the 9904. Now, while I was off lollygagging on vacation in Myrtle Beach, Alex and Dover took it upon themselves to basically finish the job for me, which, thank you guys, by the way, thank you. But honestly, guys, really the stuff that was left, you know, there's really nothing to it, and that's kind of been the whole deal with this. The pedals bolt back in just the way the automatic ones did. So you got 3 studs on the inside and then 1 stud on the outside, all of which are easy to get to. You know, so the pedals went in super easy. Just hook the quadrant on. I need to push that back in. And basically we're going back together. Got the console back in. We're doing I'm about to put some oxygen sensors in it because I had some codes for that, and basically gonna see exactly what happens. I don't have the tune yet from Jeff at Moe's Speed Shop, but I do have some new oxygen sensors, so I'm gonna throw those in there. And basically I have no idea how the car is gonna respond trying to start it and drive it being manual, but if it doesn't do too well, no big deal. Tune is on the way. Actually, the tune is here. I just don't have my programmer. But yeah, guys, we're gonna see here shortly what it does. All right, so this is the entire pile right here from the auto. Got your harness plate, flex plate, your pedals, transmission, shifter, cooler lines, all of that. Yes, transmission has been spoken for, so the drive shaft did have to be changed, and mostly that was just because of the yoke, right? Yeah.
It's got a smaller yoke on it.
Yeah, smaller yoke. So yes, you will need your drive shaft. I almost forgot about that, but obviously if you've got a donor car, you're working with somebody like the parts farm or something like that, they're going to have those parts anyway. So we're going to get the oxygen sensors in, get the interior wrapped up, and then see how screwy this thing acts. All right, so driver side out, it looks pretty bad, and then right there looks like it was kind of getting into the header. I don't think it melted all the way through, but yeah.
It cost you all 5 horsepower.
Yeah, all 5 horsepower. Maybe not even that. All right, so we can get that one back in, and we should. But yeah, guys, I didn't even show you. I mean, look at this. It's officially a manual car. Pretty freaking awesome. Tailpipes are incoming because the drone is terrible. You can see right there. It's basically just kind of hanging on the header, so I'm sure that wouldn't help anything either. Let me get these O2s in and get her back down. All right, O2s are in. Trans has fluid. Battery is hooked up. We got power, and we got a shifter boot. All right, who wants to get in there and try and start it? We have really no idea what's gonna happen. Here, I'm gonna come around here. We have no idea what's gonna happen here. Because right now, it's untuned with the original ECM. Yeah, might as well. Alright, so neutral.
Yeah. Open the door. Let's go for a cruise, man.
Yeah? Alright. Oh, grab that.
Hey, the overdrive light off.
Overdrive lights off?
Overdrive off, lights.
Hold on. Alex, will you grab that thing off the roof? We're gonna try. Again, guys, no idea what this thing's gonna do. I'm gonna film let Dover do the
overdrive. It's moving.
It's moving. There's a fire. pretty good?
Yeah. You gotta break that clutch in,
Right?
Put that easy 500 miles on it.
You'll do a little drifting and break it in proper. But yeah, guys, you can see everything's kind of all apart still. We're just, at this point, doing the preliminary. But you can see it's officially 3 pedals now.
Got the man pedal.
Yes, it has a man pedal. Oh, we might have picked up a little power, right?
Yeah.
Maybe. Who knows?
Ain't turning all that over there. Automatic transmission stuff.
Yeah. That transmission weighed a ton.
Took this one wiper out.
Yeah, it works. Yeah, it works. It's race car stuff, you know. We don't need wipers. Easy killer. Scratching. Feel like it's missing or anything?
A little scratch here. Nah, it's alright. That's good.
Yeah, the tune will have the correct calibration for the gear. As you can see, we're not doing 145.
25.
Yeah.
That's way off.
Yeah, we need some AC. Look at that,
Mega hole there. Huh?
no restriction whatsoever.
Took the cats out of it. Yeah, she runs fine. 65 in first gear.
Whoa!
Feels good.
Hey, we don't even have a check engine light.
Nope.
That's crazy.
Just overdrive off nation.
Which that'll go away whenever the tune, whenever we'll get the tune in it.
Feels great.
It's crazy.
I like it.
Alright guys, so that is pretty much it. That was 100% easier than the Fox body. Not bad at all. Now I did see a couple guys in the comments saying that there was some changes after either 2000 or 2001. I don't have anywhere to verify that. The harness that we used came out of a 99 and this car is a 2000, so there may be something that I'm not 100% sure. I'm not sure where you get that information, but ours, as you can see, plugged up. The reason the speedo wasn't right is because it's got a 410 gear in it. As you can see, that's the original PCM. You don't have to swap the PCM. I would not swap the PCM because then you're dealing with Pat's issues. But like I said, I've got a tune coming from Jeff at Mo's Speed Shop. That's gonna, make the car 100%. It's gonna be awesome, and it's pretty wild. The car was an auto, now it's a manual, and it'll be a lot of fun. And super excited to get it all finally completely put back together and clean it up. And I don't know what we're gonna do next, but who knows. But hope you guys enjoyed this. It's pretty straightforward swap. The main thing is just have your parts. All right guys, so yes, last and final update. I'm trying to get time together to get this car up to paint and get it out of here. It needs to get going ASAP. Got all the parts here for it and just stuff everywhere. But Holly Ford Fest is about to come up, so we're going to be there, and then it may be, I don't know, I'm not 100% sure, but definitely have to make that trip up to Michigan and get the car up to Adam. But again, we will be at Holly Ford Fest, and then LMR Cruise In Dallas, and Foxtoberfest, of course, at end of October. So hope to see everybody there. If you enjoyed this video and you like auto to manual swaps in 99 to 04, big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. We'll catch you on the next one.